Let us continue our class on matrices. So in my previous video, so we have worked out this first, second and third problem. So these three problems so we have been solved in the previous video. So in this video, let us solve this fourth and fifth one. So these are important questions for 1 mark. So it will be asked in part A. Construct 2 cross 2 matrix A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. That is the first one. And Aij is equal to I divided by j. Dij is equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. Similarly, construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. So we shall solve this fourth and fifth one. Okay, so let us consider this fourth one here. See, fourth, so I can take first one. So what is given here? Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. See, we have to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. That means 2 rows and 2 columns. So what is the general form of 2 cross 2 matrix here? See, A11, A12, A21 and A22. So this will be our 2 cross 2 matrix. See, observe here, A11, we have to find out A11. So afterwards A12, so A21, A22. Then you substitute all the values here. So our matrix will be ready. So 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so use this definition, I plus j whole square by 2. So let us take up that. So what is given here? Aij is equal to, see, I plus j whole square divided by 2. See here, A11. So instead of I and j, you put 1 and 1. So I will substitute here 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. So then what will be the simplification here? See, 2 square divided by 2, that is 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 means what? 2. So A11, that is first row, first element is 2. So A11 is equal to 2. So next we shall find out the next element, A21. So let us consider Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. See, A12. So I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. So you put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. 1 plus 2. See, 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. So 1 plus 2 means 3 square divided by 2. So 3 square means what? 9. 9 by 2. So that you note down that element A12 is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, 2 elements have been calculated here. So let us go for A22 in the next step. So A22 is equal to, so what was given? I plus j whole square. So I means 2, j means 2, 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. So 2 plus 2 means what? 4 square divided by 2. So 4 square means 16 by 2. So if we cancel it, I will get 8. Okay, A22. So what is left here? A21. So we have to calculate A21 also. So I will do it in the next step. A21. See, A21. So I means 2 plus j means what? 1. So I plus j whole square divided by 2. So 2 plus 1, this inside the bracket, it is 3. 3 square by 2. So 3 square is 9. That is also 9 by 2. So we get all the elements here. So let us substitute it in the matrix here. So what was our matrix? So our matrix was, say we will give some name here, A11, A12, A21, A22. So now let us substitute here. So what was A11? That is 2. Then A12, 9 by 2. Then A21, that is also 9 by 2. Then A22, 8. So this is our 2 cross 2 matrix. So we have to work out and find all the elements, and you have to write it in the matrix form. Don't leave it calculating the elements only. We have to substitute A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, so let us take up the second one here. So second one is Aij is equal to I divided by j. See here I divided by j is given here. So let me write it again here. Aij is equal to I divided by j. So 2 cross 2 matrix. So we have to find out say A1 1. So I is also 1, j is also 1 by 1 it is 1. Then A1 2. So I is 1 divided by j is 2. So I get 1 by 2. So you did not divide 1 by 2 here. Simply you write it as it is. So A1 1 and A1 2. So next what we should do? A2 1 means I is 2 and j is 1. 2 by 1 that is 2. Then A2 2. So I is 2 and j is also 2. So if we cancel it I will get 1. So I got 4 elements. So substitute the 4 elements. So what was our 2 cross 2 matrix? A1 1, A1 2, A2 1, A2 2. Okay, this was our matrix. So here let us substitute the value here. 1 and A1 2 is half, A2 1 is 2 and A2 2 is, so this is our 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. So in this way we can simplify that. So let me consider that third one here. See what is the third case here? Aij. So it is little bit lengthy. We have to calculate this. I plus 2j whole square divided by, see I plus 2j whole square divided by 2 is given. So here, so calculation takes little bit of time here. See I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So we have to do it. I is 1 plus 2j is 1. So I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. So it becomes what? 1 plus, so 2 into 1 that is 2. 1 plus 2 whole square divided by this 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So that will be what? In the next step 3 square. So we'll write that in the next step here. That is 3 square by 2. So that will be what? 9 by 2. Okay. This is A11. Now let us calculate A12. Okay. So we have to calculate this A12. So we shall take up this here. A12. So what was given here? I plus 2j. I means 1 plus 2 into j means 2. I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. So inside the bracket I have 1, 2 2s are 4. So 1 plus 4 whole square divided by 2. So 1 plus 4 is 5 square divided by 2. So 5 square is what? 25 divided by 2. So my next element is 25 divided by 2. So you note down this one, 25 divided by 2. So let us go for remaining 2 elements. A21. So what is this here? I means 2 plus 2j, 2 into 1 whole square divided by 2. So that is 2 plus 2 ones are 2. So the 2 plus 2 whole square divided by, see this is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square by 2. So 4 square is 8 by 2. So 8 by 2 means what? Sorry, 4 square is what? 16. Okay. So that is 8. Okay, let me make it here. 4 square divided by 2. So that is 16 divided by 2. So this element is 8. So this is what? A21. So we calculated the element which lies in second row and first column. So this is 8. So one element is left here. A22. That is I plus 2j. J means what? 2. So it is little bit lengthy here, divided by 2 here. So let us calculate the quantity. 2 plus here 2 into 2, that will be 4 divided by 2. So that is 2 plus 4 is 6 square divided by 2. So 6 square is 36 divided by 2. So if we cancel it, we get what? 18. So A22 is 36. Actually it was 36 divided by 2. So it simplify it, I get 18. Okay, 2 ones are 2 18s. So then what was our matrix here? CA is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. So substitute all the elements here. See, A11 was 9 by 2, A21 was 25 by 2. So then A21 calculated, we have calculated here 8. Then A22 is 18. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So here 3 cases were given. So we have got all the 3 cases. See here. So these 2 are previously over. So now I have got